Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet Ïaki kubor baman kasni.
Uni uday unikole pevel. Ubadai kami yakakam ban pathai yaka kubor bat penrong iki Samla Pule haka Bedfordshire University, Luton, United Kingdom. Ubah haka katsan tereng mentau benai rempang. Haka jing kendo bat kinong pathai kubor ulah pencai halor kilat jing Pule ringkat kebaiba miki Samla jongkari India kebala Bhah Kyrpang hapo United Kingdom. Habakan hakinong pathai kubor unikole pevel ulaong Bhah Bedfordshire University kebadan Luton, United Kingdom. Labha Kyrpang na kabentah nyopongot ki Samla Pule jongkani kathan Shatei Mihngi jongkari India. Handai namar baki babon kimtip halor kani kini ki Bhah Kyrpang ilalong le no ai. Kumta na kalyang unikoli pevel ula Kyrpat yikinong pathai khobor ban penpreng lam yakini ko khobor. Kanang baki Samla jongkani kathan Shatei Mihngi jongkari India. Kinyo jingmentoy na kani ka Bhah jongka jaka Pule hapo United Kingdom. Kajingya tho jong unikoli pevel ula ong bakabai bam ni ka scholarship kabalamang na kabenta uway ni kaway kasamla kabaduna do kalong 6,000 pound marway hakajing Pule haki course baper bakantop na do yaka business, computing, engineering, arts and design, media, sports, biomedicals and nursing.
Nevertheless, British education is one of the top education for a couple of reasons. One is that we are public institutions, including Cambridge and Oxford. There are only about 5-6 private universities, but all of us are public institutions. As a result, we are heavily regulated in terms of quality of education, examinations, by an autonomous agency called Quality Assurance Agency. UK degrees are backed by British government, therefore students who manage to get a UK qualification will not have a problem of recognition all over the world, nor will they be asked again to sit for English tests like IELTS, as we teach and assess them in English. Is UK education expensive? Well, you are going for one of the best education in the world. And you need to pay. It's more expensive in India. However, it's not as expensive that you would have paid going to America, Canada, or Australia. We need to understand also that you are closer to home, and we have scholarships, including for degree, which you won't find in most of the other English-speaking countries.